Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this crochet heart, and I use medium worsted yarn and sparkle scrubby yarn around the trim of it. I used an H hook and the pattern is down below. You can always use different types of yarn and different types of hook sizes and measured just like a few inches across, like 3 to 4 inches across. You can always make it bigger or smaller. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the sparkle scrubby yarn I found at Michael's. This will be worked around the trim of the heart, and it looks like this. It's easy to work with. I didn't want to show the video and just using this because I think it would just be too hard to see, but I did want to use it for the video because I really like sparkle yarn, and this has a scrubby rough texture to it. You can find it at Michael's. So you're going to start out with a magic circle. So in the magic circle, if this is your first time, there is a link down below how to do the magic circle. Slip stitch into it, then work a chain 3, then work 3 treble crochet inside, so yarn over twice, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Work 2 more treble crochet, so yarn over twice, now you're going to work 4 double crochet in the ring. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then pull through 2 loops. Work 3 more double crochet in that ring. Okay, now you're going to yarn over twice and grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops for a treble crochet. Then you're going to work 4 double crochet. Work 3 treble crochet into the ring. Now you can start pulling it close and then chain 3. Place the chain 3 in the center with a slip stitch, and then this round is complete. And slip stitch right into the center. Now you're going to single crochet into the chain space twice. So right in that chain space, work 2 single crochet. Yarn over and pull through. Now you're going to work 3 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So insert and then work your 3 double crochet. Double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Work 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Then work a double crochet in the next stitch with a double and then a treble, so yarn over twice, and then after the treble you will work a double in that same stitch. So there's 3 stitches, the double, treble, and then double, all in the same stitch. And then work 2 double crochet in the next, and then work a double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then work three double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Work 2 single crochet in the next space, and then slip stitch in that beginning space there, right in the center. And then if you like to do an edging, I'm going to show you how to do the edging with the Sparkle Scrubby yarn. So you're going to yarn over, pull through to finish. You're going to slip knot onto your hook with the scrubby yarn. You can place it in any stitch in your heart, and then you're just going to work a single crochet all the way around the entire border of the heart, and then this heart will be complete. Okay, now you can slip stitch and it is complete all the way around, and then you'll weave in all of your ends with your yarn needle. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.